In composites industry, QC testing impacts both quality of composite products and success of businesses. By investing in QC testing processes, composites manufacturers can enhance their competitiveness and reputation while delivering reliable and high-quality products to their customers. Various techniques of inspections that do not involve destruction of product are termed as NDT. These include visual inspections aided by dye penetration, coin, hammer testing, portable ultrasonic detection or UT, radiography or RT. This short course introduces simple and easy-to-apply testing procedures to achieve consistent quality commercial-use fiberglass items. NDT can constitute 70 to 80% inspection procedures. NDT inspections taught in this course ensure high degree of quality and reliability. It must be noted that testing method must be selected after considering several factors, e.g., cost involved, time required, access to the composite, and capability of the method. Cost includes investments in measurement equipment, software and the training of personnel. Lecture titles are displayed on the screen. The attendee will be able to understand non-destructive quality control inspection of her manufactured composites articles. Free guidance is available by TE&MC in advisory role for young entrepreneur. Visual inspection is probably the most widely used test. It is simple, easy to apply, quickly carried out and usually low in cost. In many instances aids are used to assist in the examination. Equipment for visual and optical tests include magnifying glass and mirrors. This technique allows the producer to get a quick overview of the product's general health, quality. Defects such as delamination and voids can be detected with this method. This method involves tapping the composite with a coin, or a metallic object, or hard rubber hammers and listening for changes in the sound. Liquid penetrant testing is one of the oldest of modern non-destructive testing methods. Liquid penetrant testing provides visual evidence of cracks, porosity, gaps, seams of other surface discontinuities rapidly and economically with high degree of reliability. Fundamental purpose of penetrant testing is to increase the visible contrast between a discontinuity and its background. Defects developed in composite sandwich structures are enlisted in this slide. In ultrasonic testing, time taken to bounce back of high-frequency sound waves pulses is measured. One of the limitations arises due to shadowing effect of multiple defects. Structural strength testing provides most realistic test scenario of interaction among various components of airframe or vehicle carriers as the case may be. These tests allow for interactions between parts of superstructures without dynamic movements. Testing levels below destructive levels may be a prior condition laid down by the end user. Oldest and widely used non-destructive testing method. Complete protocols of radiographic testing in the field of fiberglass composites are taught in this segment. Both residual stresses and load-induced stresses can be estimated with the method. Anomalies detected through this technique are flashed on the screen. Some of the items required during NDT inspections of fiberglass products are displayed. In summary, QC testing has a significant positive impact on both product in the composites industry. Some QC techniques are cheap and simple. Cost is, however, not a very good criterion for selecting the method. Cost of QC includes investments in measurement equipment, software and the training of personnel. Interested may contact on email timcenter.info@gmail.com to book slot for the course. Important web links are flashed on the screen. Stay tuned for more lectures and courses.